I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal and honest. But I see nobody being honest. Everybody looting our natural resources. Embezzlement, bribery, corruption. All these things are happening every day. Police brutality every day. Even SARS no day. Let us rest again. Chief Judge K. But I'm over. Governor, they bribe INEC to win case. 4 man selling vote just to pay for one day. Tell me how them gonna take your life serious. Boko Haram, they terrorize us. Army, they buy almost every day. Kidnappers, they terrorize our children. And bandits just to kill our parents. Whatever that we're doing to make it is right. We don't need to do the wrong just to make it right. Always keep it focused on them to make it right. Stand for your right, fight for your right. Do we really have a president? Don't know. Do we really have senators? Don't know. Do we really have members? Don't know. If we do, then why are the killings everywhere? Do we really have governors? Don't know. Do we really have chairmen? Don't know. Do we really have councillors? Don't know. Can you tell me why the masses are very hungry? Women don't vest, they protest naked. Price for market, the sky rocket. Fuel price, no they drop, no K-roll. Monday, Sunday, sweat like Sub-Zero. About 360 armies don't resign. You don't ever see politicians, we don't resign. Killings every day in Kaduna. Killers in Zamfara, Plateau and Katsina. Students, they go school with empty stomach. Teachers, they teach with no salary. Hospitals don't turn to mortuary. Our elders, they chop our destiny. Our roads don't dabaru pata pata. Now for my country, doctors, they go strike. Even us who don't take out to they go strike. NLC, you know they see solidarity. Whatever that we're doing to make it is right. We don't need to do the wrong just to make it right. Always keep it focused on them to make it right. Stand for your right, fight for your right. Do we really have clergymen? Don't know. Do we really have judges? Don't know. Do we have patriotic citizens? Don't know. If we do, what is there corruption in our hearts? Do we really have emirs? Don't know. Do we really have arbors? Don't know. Do we really have AZs? Don't know. Can you tell me why there are tribal clashes?
Simple Touch, QRY MUSIQ.